Today I'm going to be reviewing MEOLY fast-acting wart remover. I want to thank MEOLY for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. There's the little bottle, comes in a little box. You can see it's not very big compared to that pen right there. It comes with this little brush, which you're going to install into the cap right here. You put this on once daily. You can get results within 5 days, but it says to use this daily for 2 weeks, and some people have said 3 weeks. Most people have no pain or stinging. I read a few reviews where people said they did have that issue, but it didn't look like a big problem. I've had warts removed before. They're frozen off. It hurts. And this is a much more gentle way. I think if you have a minor case or you have kids, this is probably a better way to go. You just wipe it on the wart and it forms a mass. You'll kind of see it form. And then you let it sit there. And then you keep doing that until it goes away. This does pretty well on Amazon. It's got 4.3 stars. I normally like to see 4.4, and I know I haven't tried this personally, but this probably is pretty close that it's going to really work and do well. It's got 1,630 ratings, and last month, October 2025, over 3,000 of these were bought. It's reasonable, and it looks like people are having good results with this. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.